to make this intro as short as possible. We are sitting in the new RS3 8Y Facelift, so the new model here, 2025. There was a lot of debate about the steering wheel, but I actually like it. I already said that in our first review of the car. I love the full Alcantara flat bottom, flat top, other way around, but nevertheless. Also the knobs, you get used to it quite quickly. So it's not really an issue, and yeah, from a design perspective, I really prefer this. And also, of course, the car has a lot nicer exterior design that you all know already. Plus a very interesting fact, before we kick it off with the accelerations here, it has a lot better sound because they really enhanced the sound of the RS Sports exhaust compared to the pre-facelift that we also own, and it's noticeably in everyday driving, specifically once you're on RS mode and on the Autobahn. There's a constant nice 5-cylinder sound on the move. It's not a drone, it's a very nice and pleasant sound, and I really like it. But without further talking, you are here specifically to see the 100-200 times on the Autobahn later on. Probably not top speed because this car is also limited to 280. It doesn't have the ceramic brakes in the performance pack, and you of course want to see how good it performs on the country road here, launching to 100. So that first run was 3.7 seconds, but I believe with warmer tires we can do even better. A nice blow-off sound actually of the turbo once you lift the throttle, so that induction noise is not only there if you are tuning the car and doing some aftermarket parts, but already in the stock car you can hear, yeah, it lift off the turbo pressure is just nicely going away. And with those runs, I guess it's time to put it on the Autobahn and see what the numbers are showing us, 100 to 200. I guess, guys, we have seen some good times, but more or less the times that you could expect of this car. To sum it up, it's actually not, let's say, faster than the pre-facelift. Not really. I would say 100 to 200, you have the feeling that the faster shifts help, because with our RS3 pre-facelift, we never got it faster than, let's say, 9.7 seconds. Here, we are maybe in the 9.5 something. So 1 to 2 tenths quicker, but that might also be due to different conditions in the end. 0 to 100 is also what you could expect, probably a tenth slower than what we did in Spain with the sticky, let's say, Corsa tires on the racetrack, but that also makes sense because we have the regular, more or less, I think it's a label C tire on those now. So a sporty daily tire, which works very well. It's a very good compromise. I would always recommend to go for that one. And yeah, so I guess there's not much more to say. I'm looking forward to your comments, specifically, of course, to the sound. And we will also bring a pure sound video only showing the sound of this car after that, because yeah, it was really nice listening to that 5-cylinder. And we might even do a comparison video between the old RS3 8V that we bought and this one, because they are not that far apart. apart from an emotional perspective as you could think, as let's say, judging by the 10 years of production date that are between them.